my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine and I am back with another unboxing for pettreater. Now, if you're not familiar, pettreater is a monthly subscription for either your cat or your dog, and you can set a profile on breed size as well. And you have 3 choices for their subscriptions. You have the $15 choice, which is a bag and you get 2 toys and 2 treats, or the $18 bag, which you can choose either toys only or treats only. Now, I have the $18 bag that is toys only, and you get 3 toys based on your breed size inside. Now, they have one more option, and that's the box, and that's $25, and that is if you have more than 1 animal in your home, which I do, but I still just get the $18 back. So let's go ahead and see what they sent me for June. Here's a little peek inside. Well, let's get this out of the way, and then we'll do a peek inside. So let's go ahead and start with what I had to pull out. Now, this is part of the Pick of the Litter program. So you can take a picture of your pet, usually with the toys and things that they provide, and they will choose somebody to be the pick of the litter each month. And this month, it is Jax. Oh my gosh, he's even smiling. Look at that. Haha. I love that picture. Okay, next is this is like an extra thing. Protect your pet and get the peace of mind you both deserve. We're streamlining the search and rescue process for free because no pet parents should struggle to find their cat or dog. Your free 1 pet ID? Really? That's what that looks like. It's a lost pet tag that's scannable by any smartphone. It triggers the pet found alerts to your phone, removes the need to read a microchip, and stores your pet's secure profile. 1 pet ID service is free for the life of your pet. Wow. First, you scan the QR code with your phone, complete your secure pet profile, input critical info, and attach the pet ID to your pet's collar. Wow, I love it. Okay, so I'm reading down here the fine print. And 1 pet ID service from Ask Vet is free. Other Ask Vet services may require a monthly membership fee. Okay, so this one is free, but apparently they do have other products available that may require a membership. But that's cool. I love it. Okay. Now, each month you get a bandana. How cute is that? This one is for summer. These are pretty big. Now, they do have smaller ones for, you know, a small dog or a cat, so they do have smaller ones, but this one is for large pets. Next thing I am pulling out. Woo! It's a rope toy. Dog toy. I mean, really? Okay. So this doesn't have a product name on it. So I don't know what company made this, but it is, you could even do a tug-of-war kind of thing with it, but they usually don't, my guys usually don't play with ropes, but we'll see how they like this one. And we have another carrot. This is also a rope toy. They didn't touch the last carrot. They didn't touch it. So we have some new puppies across the street from me, and I'll throw this over the fence so that they can enjoy it. And the last thing is this rubber toy. Now this is by Hexalon. It is a space ball, It's a fetchable, erratic bounce, above ground pickup, made for all sizes, sturdy frame, lightweight, open design. Here we go. These are very easy to throw, easy to wash off. Yeah, they like some rubber things. And that is what I got. Now, you know, for $18, I have 3 toys. And for me, that's a good price. I mean, if you try and go to the store and price these, it would be more than $18. So I definitely think this is worth it. Plus, you get a bandana and you get freebies along with it. So I like that. And I am very glad that you came by today. If you're interested, I'll go ahead and leave a link for you down below. But again, I am glad you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.